This episode is made with backlog footage, and the events that occur herein happened months ago. This episode may contain flashing lights and colors. Viewer discretion is advised. Hi! So I'm probably going to tack this onto the last video, because I don't have a whole lot of memory card space, so this one's going to be kind of short, and there'll be a lot of cuts and things here and there, so I'm going to keep this intro brief. Can't see the screen. Enter Yoshimura. So, what I'm going to do is take a short clip of what it sounds like with the stock exhaust pipe. Then I'm going to install the exhaust pipe, and then I'll take another clip with the new one. So, see you soon. Okay, so I kind of got to make this quick because it's kind of dark. So it's cold. And I'm also out of gas. Just about. Alright, that's the stock exhaust. Okay, so as we can see, we have the old pipe sitting there. I've got the heat shield for it sitting over yonder. And so yeah, so now I'm gonna unbox our new friend and stick around. Simlish. Okay, anyway, sorry about that. Okay, so, as we can see, the new pipe is installed. So here's the thing. They don't make a Yoshimura AT2 for the Ninja 7. They make a Yoshimura AT2 for the Ninja 500 and the 400 and basically every other Ninja. So, since the Ninja 500 and the Ninja 7 have the same engine and pretty much they're identical in terms of their power plant, in terms of being an engine and exhaust pipe and all that fun stuff, I decided to try getting the one for the Ninja 500 and seeing if it would work. And as we can see, it does technically fit. It's on there, it's not coming off. Yeah, it's not the intended way of mounting it, as I will show you. Sorry. So I did kind of have to do a little fuckery to make it happen, but there it is. So, magical finger here. That hole there is where the you're supposed to mount it, and I mounted it to that one, which is cut out for just weight savings probably. But in any case, I see no reason to believe that the other hole or like the one I put the bolt through should be any less strong than the one that they put there the way you're supposed to do it. So, you know, it's all, if anything, it'll be stronger because it's closer to the thing, and there's more mass over here. So if anything, it's a stronger mount. So then, as we can see, the let me back up the iris here. Hang on. As we can see, the for lack of a better term, the hose clamp here is not quite all the way on, but it is on good enough to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere. So there might be some exhaust fume leakage through there, probably. I don't know. In theory, not though, because it's like it's more than halfway on, so like we should be good. It ain't coming off, so and like it's gonna pop off or anything. So alrighty, but anyway, so yeah, so there she blows. On Yoshimura AT2 for the Ninja 7. So yeah. Let's hear what it sounds like. And don't worry about this. Well, okay. I had the original idea that would be able to fold back out, or up, but you know, that's okay. All else fails, I just remove the passenger foot peg anyway. Wait a second, Chuck. Can I even do that? I don't know if I can do that. Anyway, nobody's seeing anything. Does my butt be weird? Does my butt look weird? Anyway. Alright. Alright. Sorry. Alrighty. Crap. Anyway, alright. I'm so stoked. I gotta hear it. This is gonna be really loud. I know that. Oh, dude. Oh, man. Actually, let me get my dad. I really don't want to hear this thing. Hey neighbors, I apologize in advance for this. I'm kind of scared, but it's gonna be really, really good. Alright, you ready? My dad's coming. Here, too.
What are you getting fire?
Damn, here goes nothing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that thing is bad. It is just badass. I didn't realize that this carbon fiber.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that when I was looking at pictures. Yeah, that's really fucking sweet. Damn, man.
Yeah.
Sweet.
You want to hit the button for me?
Down.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's basically like a straight pipe.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, there's some like a race pipe.
It's nice. Yeah. And so here's the jank.
Yeah.
The jank factor continues.
Oh.
This was a pipe for a Ninja 500, not a Ninja 7.
Oh.
They have the same engine and exhaust setup. It's just the body work is different.
Yeah.
So the only difference is where the rear foot pegs are. They're a bit further out.
Oh.
So
Yeah. Okay.
they're in a slightly different position.
Yeah.
Other than that, everything else worked fine.
Yeah.
So herein lies the jank.
Yeah. Oh
It's
yeah.
supposed to go through that hole, but I put it through that one instead.
Oh yeah.
And the clamp isn't entirely
Down the chute.
on there, but it ain't going anywhere. So
All right,
it's
yeah.
on there. Tightened it up till it wouldn't tighten anymore. So
Okay.
it should be good. And I did just check to make sure no fumes were coming out.
Yeah.
At idle, nothing was spewing out.
That's good.
We should be fine.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Business.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was so fucking simple and easy too.
Yeah.
This was super fucking easy because that big bolt there,
Yeah.
then the clamp here, which I reused for this,
Yeah.
is the other one. No, I didn't. Sit like that.
Mhm.
Anyway,
Yeah.
another thing over yonder for the heat shield,
Mm-hmm.
and then this was just for the heat shield,
Yeah.
and then the heat shield had another clamp on that pipe. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Cool.
So yeah.
Very cool. Heck yeah. Sweet.
Jaw dude.
Nice.
Yeah. One Yoshimura.
Yeah. Now you have to go try it out.
Yeah. I gotta eat first.
Wake up the neighborhood. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Wake up, guys.
I gotta get gas anyway. I only got one bar.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
So. Luckily, I've got a hybrid and I've got like 8.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
should hopefully get me to
Yeah.